You're now looking at Google Trends, and one of the things that you'll see if you go to Google Trends over the last 5 years and you type in faceless videos, you'll see a dramatic increase in interest, and to some degree, that interest is still on the rise. At the very top, one of the queries that is very important to people is how to make faceless YouTube videos. And so the idea of creating a video where an individual does not have to appear yet can personalize the content is of interest to people. In addition to the fact that AI can now be used in order to make and increase the quality of the video. If you go to your favorite search engine, you'll see a number of results of individuals either creating or looking for information on creating faceless videos. And as many methods as there are platforms in various configurations that are used in order to create these videos, with multiple lists of multiple tools that various individuals say are needed in order to consistently create high quality faceless videos. Here's a video course that will walk you through a standard set of principles to understand in creating faceless videos so that you'll be able to determine which platform and the right configuration you want to use. If you'd like to find out more about that course, check out the link you see on your screen.